Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to introduce you the Hack the Box platform for the beginners. So you can just search for Hack the Box and just create an account. Once you have created an account, then you will be able to see an interface like this. From there, what you can do is we have two options as of now available. Like one of them is learn and get certified, and which is Hack the Box Academy, and the another one is Hack the Box Labs, which I personally like. But let's start with the first one, which is Hack the Box Academy. When you go for start learning in Hack the Box after creating account, you will be able to learn a lot of theoretical contents, not practical, but still it is limited practical contents. They're available in the Hack the Box Academy. So basically, you do have two paths, which is offensive and defensive side, and you do need cubes to learn. Like some of them are free, some of them needs you to complete some labs to get cubes to move to the next one low. So let me show you that. Right, we have modules option here. I'm just clicking for all the modules. So these are all the modules that you can see. Once you complete this one, then you will you can just give 100 cubes to unlock this one. And once you complete this one, you will get some cubes. Using that cubes, you can just move to another lab. So basically, if you want to move directly to something great, then you have to pay, or else you can't. Okay, so let's start with some beginner labs like introduction to academy. So what this academy would look like, how it would look like. Like this is basically an beginner friendly, and of course not all are beginner friendly, but still there is beginner friendly contents available. So when you go for Hack the Box Academy, Hack the Box Labs, then you probably see a lot of things. So first let me go for the paths option, where you have skill paths and job role path. So here this is what costs $0, sorry, 0 cubes, and less rest of them needs some more cubes. To you have to pay for this to purchase. This is a certification preparation, and you have to pay or pay for certification to get it done. So here you can see this is basically like an cracking into Hack the Box. Once you complete, maybe you will get 30 cubes for your next learning. So you can just start some of these. You can just start this instance. A little practical is available here. So you can start with the introduction. You can read a lot about a vulnerability. You can just move to next one, and you can just read a lot of contents here. Like that, you have to read and understand and answer to these questions. And you do have a session for spawning like a terminal instance in the browser. And yeah, this is about this academy, where you will learn by reading the contents, understanding contents, answering to these questions. And this is all about academy. So what I basically what I like most in Hack the Box is their challenges. So you can also explore these fields by yourself. And as of now, I have 55 cubes, so I can just go for the one that I would like. Once I complete that particular academy task, then I will get more cubes so that I can move forward. So this is how it basically works. Okay, so you'll be able to learn things by reading the contents, understanding the contents, and answering to some of the questions. So this is how it basically works. Okay, so let's move on to the another one here, which is Hack the Box Labs, which is my personal favorite, and which is, you can see, it is about practice with hands-on labs. Yeah, by clicking the start playing, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So let me close this one. Okay, we are now moving to the lab section. So where you do have challenges. Yeah, you can see we have a starting point, which you can just try to complete it by yourself. Like some of them are VIP, so you have to pay for that to complete, but there are free ones available. So you can just click one, and what you can do is you can just spawn mission, connect to this. Then you can connect by clicking here and going for missions and clicking here in the Open VPN, and you can just download this configuration. Once you have downloaded that, then you can issue the command like let me show you the command, but I'm not connecting as of now. Like sudo open VPN, and the name of the file that you downloaded. So once you are done, then you can just connect, right? So let me show you. Okay, so let me download that. I just downloaded. Now I'm just moving to the downloads directory. Now I'm just connecting to that one. So once you're connected, then you will be able to see from here, right? It's connected, right? And you can just solve these labs by yourself. Okay, so you can just click the spawn mission and you can just do, you will get an IP and you can just copy the IP and solve these labs. And you do have missions available here, which is similar to that, but yeah, there are missions like editor era, some of the missions, and some of them will be VIP or VIP plus, and you can just complete the free labs, try to complete it by yourself. And there are some retired missions that will be available here, which includes walkthroughs. Maybe like once you click in retired mission, then you will be able to see the items which is available, and you will be able to see the items if you are stuck online. And this is how you basically complete that. For active missions, the items will be far more lesser. So yeah, there are also a lot of active missions, which is free missions that you can try to complete. And the most interesting part that I like to explore in Hack the Box is Sherlock part. This is about investigation. Like it's about blue teamers, defensive sailors, where you can just open one and you can just download these files and the password will be available here. You can just click here for password. Once you unzip this file, and you can just try to answer to these questions, and these are challenging questions. These are really interesting. These are not something that you are going to hack, but these are something that you are investigating. Yeah, that's about Sherlock. Like you are investigating like blue teamers. And there's a lot of Sherlock available. So some of them are VIP, and I think you will be able to see a lot of free Sherlock labs. Then you can complete it by yourself. It's good. It's cool. It's interesting. And you do have challenges available here. You can just click one and you can just download that and complete the challenge. In this challenge, you only need to submit a single flag. You can just click spawn challenge and download the file, and you can just read the contents and understand the concepts, and you can just solve. Okay, so I can't show everything solving videos like this. Some of them are restricted by Hack the Box, so that's why I'm not good to show you how you can solve a lot of things. But you will be able to read walkthroughs, and some of the retired mission walkthroughs will be available in the YouTube also. You can just read and watch and understand that by yourself. If you need some help with me, then you can just comment down below so that I'll be happy to help you. Okay, so this is basically Hack the Box, and this is an introduction that I'm giving to you about Hack the Box, so that you will be able to get started with the Hack the Box by completing these challenges and improving your skills. And guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.